Documents circulating on social media indicate that Sarkodie has dragged Ecobank Ghana to the Commercial Division of the High Court of Justice. Per the document, Sarkodie is asking the court to award him the following reliefs. 1. A declaration that the conduct of the bank in publishing the image of him in relation to its product is a breach of his intellectual property rights. 2. A declaration that the conduct of the bank in publishing his image in relation to its product is in breach of the provision of the Protection Against Unfair Competition Act 200, Act 589. 3. An order of perpetual injunction to restrain Ecobank Ghana, its agents and assigns from associating the image of him with its product without his consent. 4. An order for Ecobank Ghana to withdraw all publications of his image in relation to their products. 5. An order for Ecobank Ghana to pay damages as compensation for breach of his intellectual property rights. And 6. Cost. Now, why is Sarkodie requesting for all these reliefs? Well, a month ago, we saw a flyer on social media which is supposed to be a campaign against bank fraud. The flyer had a Ecobank Ghana logo and their team colors on it. It also featured an image whom many believe has the likeness of Sarkodie. On the same flyer is a hashtag that reads, "It's giving scam." Even though many suggest it's Sarkodie's look-alike and not him, they are not pleased that someone will actually use Sarkodie's doppelganger in such a manner. Remember, Sarkodie is a brand ambassador for other institutions, including the bank. Sarkodie is suing for intellectual property infringement, also known as IP. Now, what is an IP? This is a situation where people register their likeness such as voice, face, logo, nickname, and anything that can be associated with them. Does Sarkodie have a case here? Well, to me, if the image is not AI generated or that person on the ad doesn't claim he's Sarkodie, there's no IP infringement here. The person has his own identity and image, and it's not his fault that he looks like Sarkodie. However, I also strongly believe that this is not morally right. Also, if I were to be the person on the ad, I would have sued Sarkodie for impersonation. Anyway, I'm not a lawyer or a judge, so wait for the court to come with their verdict. I understand that this has never happened in the history of Ghana before. So this is an interesting time in the history of Ghana entertainment industry and the law.